Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we are going to see a sample Selenium program with hard-coded values for unique fields. For this, we'll go to one of the demo sites called demo.automationtesting.in register.html. Here, in this form, phone number and email address are unique. If you provide any duplicate data, then it will not accept. For this, what I will do, I'll take some sample data and I fill all mandatory fields. And the mandatory fields which we have is email address and phone number. For that, I will take data which is already there in the application. So these are the duplicate data which is already there in the application. So if I click on submit button, you can find that email already exists, phone number already exists. So if I hard code these values for full name and address, some other things, there is no problem, it will accept, but for this both the fields it will not accept. If you hard code the values and if you execute the same script for multiple releases, then you cannot test this form. So without putting the data from the external sources or without hard-coded the values, how we can manage these things. Those things we will see in the coming videos. But for now, we will see if you hard-code the values in Selenium, what will happen when you run the script. For that, I'll go to IntelliJ. Here I have created a Maven project called test data generation. So here what I'll do, I'll take a sample class, Java class, and I'll name it as Selenium program with hard-coded values. Click OK. Now what I will do, I have written already a program. So I'll copy paste, will not waste the time. So I need Selenium jar files. So I'll go to pom.xml and I will add dependencies. I will add Selenium dependencies here and I'll save. Then it will download all the jar files which are required. So the error's gone. I'll close this. So here what I did, I'm initializing the browser and navigating to the URL, and I'm finding all the elements on the web page which we just saw, and I'm feeding the data to the application using hard-coded values. For first name, last name, all these things, there is no issue, but for the email address and phone number, I am taking some hard-coded value. For the first time, it will execute properly as this is unique data for the first time. But when I execute the same set of test case with the same data, then it will throw an error which we saw. So I'll execute this test. It navigated to the URL, feeding the data. Click on submit button. And the data stored into the web table. This is the first time, so there is no issue. We'll execute the same script again without changing the values. It navigated to the site and fill the same set of data and click on submit. Then you can find that you see email already exists and phone number already exists. So I cannot run the same test with hard-coded values for the unique fields again and again. So how you can resolve without using any external sources? If you use external sources also, for each time you need to change the data, but I do not want to do all those things for the unique fields. How you can achieve those kind of functionality without changing the data in the script? We will see all those things in the coming videos.